In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then select All Services, hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my switcher and all of those features turned gray, which means that Autofill is disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!